We have got a gorgeous 1956 Buick Special, and boy is it special. Nut and bolt, body off frame restored. There's only about 265 miles on it since it's been finished. They did it to high standards. It's a show quality car, top to bottom. And these beautiful colors we're looking at, it was born that way. Tahiti Coral over Dover white. It's got the chrome wire wheels. What a looker. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag along with the monthly finance option on every car that we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I have a photo album here in my hand, and it really shows you to what extent they take these cars down to. Here's pictures of it stripped to bare metal. Body was off the frame. Yeah, more bare metal pictures. So it's completely gutted and stripped. Beautiful restoration. So underneath the frame and chassis, it's all smooth black metal. It's not pitted. The floors are pristine, all the braces, the floors, the rockers, and again, all nice smooth metal, not patched up or caulked or pitted, all really nice. The chassis is done in a semi-gloss black. The floors are done in the red oxide primer. That's the way they would have been done when they were new. So every component was taken apart and rebuilt or restored. So that would be all of the brakes, the suspension, brake lines, fuel tank, the whole fuel system was replaced for that matter. It's got the correct factory type dual exhaust system that goes all the way back and actually goes out right through the bumper. You look up at the motor, it's just spotless. The starter, the fuel pump, all the components look like new. This has the Dynaflow automatic transmission. That's been restored, all nice and clean. The rear end looks like it's restored. So everything under there, every component, from the floor pans down to the nuts and bolts, it's like new under the car. So let's check out the body. The hood is like glass, absolutely straight, no issues, all lines up beautifully. I mean, really, really straight. This is all excellent, straight as can be. You got the 3 ports on the fender here, nice touch. This here is smooth, right down to the bottom. The gaps are really nice. Again, no bubbles, no rust, no body work coming through. This is all really nice. All very nice, smooth, glossy, fits right. It was a professional restoration. They did a nice job, and it's been done for a few minutes. So, it's not showing anything yet. It's not going to. It's been a few years. Inside the gas door, they've got the little rubber bumpers in there. Absolutely straight. No rust, no bubbles, no damage, no funny areas. I don't see any body work coming through. No mismatched colors. There's no issues with the body or paint that I am seeing at all. And the paint is polished like glass. Even the white is polished like glass. It even feels slick to the touch. Looks like every piece of chrome has been replaced or restored. The emblems, the door handles, even all this stainless. There's no dents. It's polished like chrome. These are restored. The mirrors, vent window frame, all of this, all this stainless. This is a high-end restoration. There's probably 20 grand in chrome work. Headlight bezels, the big old bumpers, the grille. This is all beautiful. Hood ornament, all sparkling chrome, new lenses. This side looks just as good. Got a mirror on both sides. Now it's got the wire wheels. They weren't offered on the Buick back then, but boy, it dresses this car up real nice. So it is the Kelsey Hayes style wire wheels. They can be cleaned a little better. Spinner hubcaps that say Buick, and they're on Coker Classic tires. The nub's not even worn off the treads of the tires. That's how little it's been used. It's a white convertible top. It is a power top that works, and the entire top is restored. All the framework, the weather strips, all redone. The white top is a bright white. So back here, here's the exhaust coming up, the bumper. All of the chrome is sparkling. It says 1956 Buick Special. Has reverse lights, which I believe were optional. So there's the outside, gorgeous. I'll give you a tour of the inside now. We're in for a real treat. This trunk compartment's beautiful. Look underneath the trunk lid, how nice and smooth it's painted. The bolts look fresh. The weather strip looks fresh. And then it has the complete correct liner kit. It's a nice cloth liner, all wrapped around the entire thing. There's a radial white wall tire under here. It's never been used. The jack assembly is restored. It's sitting right here. And there's the instructions on how to change your spare tire. Now it comes with this sign right here, and there's a few pictures. This is on a rotisserie, body off the frame. Now they're saying one of 55 known to exist. I have no idea, but yeah, it'd be a pretty rare car. The well liner is new as well. You know what it costs to duplicate this restoration in today's times? It would start at $100,000. Probably closer to 125, 140. Door jambs are slick, the latch mechanisms, the weather strips, the sill plates, all that looks like new. Door panels are all redone. Armrest, window cranks, all of it. The entire dash area is beautiful. This chrome has probably been restored. All the gauges are real sharp. Now the speedometer, when you start driving, that red line comes across here. It's pretty cool. 263 miles since it's been finished. Has an optional padded dash. Original style radio and clock, and all this is real slick. Glove box liner, the sticker, it's all painted, all the screws look new. Got owner's manual. Steering wheel, big giant steering wheels in beautiful shape. It's an automatic. Seats all reupholstered. They put seat belts in the front and the back. So whole rear compartment, the interior lights work. It's all beautiful. I was pleased when I checked the trim tag and found out it was born this color. I just assumed someone painted it this color. Again, this is a restoration. Every nut and bolt was taken apart. This was not a spray can special. So the motor is a 322. I think it's 220 horsepower. All restored, correct carburetor, the choke tube with the cloth on it, the right air cleaner, valve covers, manifolds, everything looks real nice. Everything on the firewall. All the metal is real nice and smooth and painted. All the components, the generator, the fuel pump, all looks good. For those of you that don't know what this is, that's the power steering system. The power brakes are kind of hidden under the dash down low. This also has the optional windshield squirters. And again, the hinges, the hood insulation, everything's real nice. And look at how nice and smooth the metal surfaces are. That's what the frame and chassis look like under the car. Smooth operator. Got good oil pressure, gas gauge is working. Matter of fact, we service our cars. We pulled the gauges out, sent them out, had them rebuilt. I list on our website, and under the description of each car, I do list what we have done to it in our shop. We spent about $2,000 on this one, getting it dialed in and ready for you to enjoy it. Oh yeah, she's smooth. What a beautiful car, folks. The colors, the car, the style, the chrome wire wheels. Imagine cruising down the boulevard with this and the top down. Boy, it's going to turn a lot of heads. Again, quality restoration. They did not cut corners. This is from a very big, prestigious car collection. Just the best of the best. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They can help answer your questions and help get it delivered to your door, and they can help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching. You put these hood pins in.